Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and welcome to today's workout. Today we have a daily core routine. We have 7 different exercises. Do them letter style. We're gonna start off at 25 reps, go up to 100 reps, and back down to 25 reps. Like I said, this is kind of my routine. It's gonna be challenging for me, so just bear with me and put up with me. Let's push ourselves a little bit today. Let's get that core going. No clock today, just follow along. Let's get down on the ground for the first exercise. 25 repetitions. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, and sit up, and back down, and over the other leg, and then both legs. And that's 1. And that's 2. Sit up, 3. Up, 4, 5, keep going, 6, 7, 8, 9, keep it up, 10, let's go, 1, 11, keep it up, 12, not easy, 13, stay with me, 14, 15, forgot to sit up, here we go, 16, almost, 16, all right, working on 17, keep it up guys, 7 more. Ready? 1, and 1, and 6 more. Keep it up. 1, 2, and 3. 5 more. 1, 2, 3. 4 more. 1, 2, 3. Oh, drop my legs, losing balance. Recalibrate. There we go. That's what I wanted to say. Like I said, my workout. 3 more. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, and 3. And back down. And sit up. Whew, that was a good beginning. Stay right down here on the ground. We're doing core, so there's no reason to get up today. As I always say, your workouts are my workouts are your workouts. I struggle sometimes because I like to push myself during my workouts. That's exactly what I do here. All right, that was set number 1. We have 6 more left. You guys ready? We're going for 50 mountain climbers. Knees out on these, nice and slow. Since that was the hard one on the first one, let's go 50 as 1 repetition equals 1 count. So left, right is 2 instead of just 1. Because I don't think I would make it the other way. That's enough talking. Plank position, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay right here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. 1, 2, legs out, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, keep going, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, keep it up, 8, 9, 10, that's 30, 20 left, ready? 1, stay with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 1, come on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! All right, now it'll break. Don't know how long, pretty much until I feel better. So if you guys are working out, you know, it's recommended to take a minute break or a 2-minute break. Don't go too long, but make sure you are completely rested before you start your next set. Especially if you're doing weight training of any sort. Don't just do it on 30 seconds rest. You wanna increase the volume, increase the amount you can lift. So take probably at least a minute. Generally when I weight train, I take about 90 seconds. Or about a minute 15 or so, I start setting up for the next set. Anyway, setting up for the next set here, we have 75 Russian twists. Up to you if you leave your legs on the ground or if you bring them up in the air. I'm gonna try to bring them out in the air first. If I can't hold them up there anymore, put them on the ground, but I'm gonna continue twisting. So, 75 twists. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, legs up, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10 and 11. Keep going. 13, 14, 15, 20. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 20 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! Oh yeah, feeling it. This is definitely building type of exercise. Started off pretty hard, but it was only 25 reps. And I was like, yeah, we got through this one. The rest of it is gonna be easy. Not that easy. The easy part is almost right now. We're just doing plain old crunches, 100 crunches. Sit back. Make sure to have the lower back press against the ground as much as you can. So the farther your feet go out, the more your lower back is going to want to arch. So bring your feet to the point where you can have your lower back press against the ground the entire time. So for me, that's about here. You guys ready to go? We're going for 100 crunches. Do not pull on your neck. Your hands are behind your head only to add additional resistance. It's not supposed to help you, it's supposed to deter you and make it harder. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2. That's 10. 1. That's 20. That's 21. That's 30. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, squeeze, 9, 50, halfway, keep it up, 1, 2, full squeeze at the top, 3, 40 left, 1, 30 left, 1, 20, 19, keep it up. Ten left. Keep it up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And relax. Whew. And you might as well stay down here because we have scissor kicks coming up. We're going for 75. Nice and quick. We're not gonna do it 3 count once, we're just doing regular scissor kicks. Not quite a flutter kick. If you guys are swimmers, you know what a flutter kick is and how fast it's supposed to go. But we are still gonna keep good pace, but without a long pause. You guys ready to go? We're going for 75. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Legs out, legs up, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Keep it up. Lower back against the ground. $20. Keep it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 31. Come on. 2. 40. 25 left. No, 35 left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 50. Now 25 left. 60. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Woo, catch your breath, relax. Nice deep breaths. Stay down here with me. No reason to get up yet. All right, next exercise, guys. 50 repetitions. You guys ready to go? We're going to go for side crunches. 25 on one side, elbow all the way to the knee. Try to bring it up as high as you can. 25 on the other side. So stay right down here. One leg crossed over the other. I'm going right to left first. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2. Stride for the knee. 3, 4, 5. And yet do not pull back on your head. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Squeeze. 8. Come on. 9. That's 20. You got 5 left on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And switch sides. No break. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reach for that knee. 7, 8, 9, 10. 15 left. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. 5. Ready? 4, 3, 2. One more. Last one. Hold it, squeeze, and there we go. All right, guys. 6 exercises down. 1 left. We have sit-ups left. I love me some sit-ups. So on these, legs out. As you sit up, I want those arms straight up in the air, pointing towards the ceiling, all right? We're going for 25 repetitions. Squeeze it out. And that's gonna be it. So let's get going. Lay down. It's gonna be difficult. My core is fairly fatigued right now. Arms up in the air and just gonna sit straight up. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Nice job, everybody. 2, 3, 4, and 10. 15 left. Ready? 1. Nice and slow and control. 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. 1. 10 left. 9 now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Keep it up. 9. Last one. One more. 10, and lay back down slowly. There we go. All right, now I can pop back up. Well, guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul, and as always, I take you through these workouts every Monday and every Thursday. So if you did enjoy this workout, don't forget to subscribe, leave a big like, leave a comment down below. Maybe let me see about what else you want to see on this channel, different type of workout. As long as it fits with the confines of this basement, I'm willing to try it. Thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.